In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own Notion templates and sell them online. By the end, you'll know how to build a clean, useful template, package it for others to duplicate, and set it up for sale. Start by creating a new Notion page. Click the plus New Page button in the left sidebar and give it a clear, descriptive name that reflects your idea, like Habit Tracker Template. A concise name helps buyers immediately understand what they're getting and makes your template easier to find later. Next, build out the structure. Add the databases, tables, calendars, and toggles that users will actually rely on. Think through the workflow from a user's perspective. What properties should each database have, which views are helpful, and how should information roll up or filter? For example, you might create a tasks database with tags and due dates, then a calendar view for planning and a board view for priorities. Keep it purposeful and remove anything that doesn't serve the core use case. Now make it look great and easy to navigate. Add a cover and an icon to set the tone. Use clear headings and dividers to separate sections. Consider callouts for quick instructions and embed widgets where appropriate to add functionality or context. A simple, consistent color scheme and spacing will make the template feel polished. Your goal is visual clarity that guides users without overwhelming them. Before sharing, duplicate your template to test it. Click the three dots in the top right and choose Duplicate. Open that copy and use it like a new user would. Check that formulas work, filters show the right items, and nothing breaks when you change a property. Try it on mobile too, and remove any personal or placeholder data you don't want to ship. When you're confident, prepare a shareable version. Click Share, toggle Share to Web, and enable Allow Duplicate as Template. This ensures anyone with the link can duplicate it into their own workspace. Double-check permissions and that only the clean final page is shared. It's time to promote and sell. List your template on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Include clear screenshots, a concise description of who it's for and what it includes, and simple instructions for duplicating and getting started. Pricing can reflect complexity and the value it saves users. You can also offer a brief demo video to increase conversions. Finally, update your template based on feedback. Keep an eye on questions from customers, improve usability where they get stuck, and release updates to refine the experience over time. And that's how you can create and sell Notion templates. Start building, sharing, and earning from your Notion creations. Subscribe for more tutorials.